Hi everyone! Welcome back to our English conversation channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's great to see you again. Thanks for joining us today.
Today, we will talk about a very useful topic. We will practice shopping English. You will learn helpful phrases like, "Can I help you?" "I'm just looking." And "How much is this?"
These phrases are perfect for beginners. You can use them in any shop, a clothes shop, a shoe shop, even a small market.
Yes, and today we will act out a real conversation. We will speak slowly, clearly, and naturally. So relax, breathe, and enjoy.
Before we start, remember to like this video and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow, and it tells us you want more lessons like this.
All right, ready? Let's go shopping.
Hello, welcome to our store. Can I help you?
Hi, thanks. I'm just looking.
Okay, stop here. This is a very common start.
Right. When the shop assistant says, "Can I help you?" you can answer in many ways. You can say, "I'm just looking." "Yes, I'm looking for a shirt." Or, "Yes, I need some shoes."
Let's repeat together. Ready? I'm just looking. One more time.
Nice job. Simple and useful.
Actually, yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Sure. What color would you like?
Blue, please.
Here, I asked, "What color would you like?" This is a polite question.
You can also hear, what color do you want? Which color? But what color would you like is very friendly and polite.
Let's practice. Repeat after me, learners, or you can pause the video. Ready? What color would you like?
Great job! And my answer was simple. Blue, please. You can say any color. Red, white, green, black, yellow.
Okay. What size do you need?
Maybe size large.
What size do you need is another key phrase. Sizes can be small, medium, large, or extra large.
In some stores, they say S, M, L, XL. Those mean the same thing.
Let's practice some answers. Repeat after me. Small, please. Medium, please. Large, please.
Perfect. You're doing great. How much is this t-shirt?
It's $15.
Oh, that's not bad.
So here we use the phrase, "How much is this?" This is a must-know shopping question.
Yes, you can use it with anything. Clothes, food, books, anything.
Let's repeat it, learners. How much is this?
Sometimes you want to ask about many things. Then you can say, how much are these?
Nice. Let's repeat that too. How much are these?
Great work. You sound more and more natural. Can I try it on?
Of course. The changing room is over there.
Thank you.
This is another common question. Can I try it on?
You use this when you want to check size or fit. Maybe the shirt is too big or too small.
Let's practice, learners. Can I try it on?
And my answer, the changing room is over there, is also useful. You might also hear, the fitting room is at the back. The fitting rooms are on the left.
Great phrases to know.
It's a little big.
No problem. Would you like a medium?
Yes, please.
If something is not right, you can say, "It's too big." "It's too small." "It doesn't fit."
Let's repeat one. It's too big.
Good. Now another one. It's too small.
I'll take it.
Great. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thanks.
I'll take it means I want to buy it. It's short and natural.
And the question, cash or card, is something you will hear in almost every shop.
Let's say it together, learners. I'll take it.
Again, cash or card. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Easy, simple, friendly. When you leave a store, this is perfect.
Yes, a small smile and a thank you always helps.
Okay, now let's practice together. We will ask questions and you answer out loud. Don't worry, no one is listening. Well, except maybe your cat.
Mine always listens, and he always judges me.
Anyway, let's begin.
I'm the shop assistant. I say, "Can I help you?" You answer. Good job. You can say, "I'm just looking," or, "Yes, I'm looking for."
I ask, what color would you like? Say your answer. Nice. Any color works.
I ask, "What size do you need?" Answer with small, medium, or large.
Great.
Now you ask, "Look at this t-shirt." Ask me, "How much is this?"
Perfect question.
Now you want to try something. Ask me, "Can I try it on?"
Well done.
Imagine the shirt is too big. Say, "It's too big."
Now say, it's too small.
Nice work.
Now you want to buy the item. Say, I'll take it.
Wonderful. Great job today. You learned so many useful shopping phrases.
Let's review quickly. Today you learned how to say, can I help you? I'm just looking. What size do you need? How much is this? Can I try it on? It's too big. I'll take it.
These are real phrases used every day. With these expressions, you can shop with confidence.
Now it's your turn. Write a short shopping conversation in the comments. We'll read them and give you feedback.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps so much, and we love having you here.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.